The Aircraft IT conferences are one of the more important conferences for us. We attend every single one of them because we can get new leads on one hand, but also have good conversation with existing clients here right at the conference.
That's a great platform for us to network, meet our direct representatives at the airline.
It's really important for a group like TUI to be present at these conferences because it allows us to talk to customer airlines. These are the people with the experience, and that is immensely interesting information when you're starting a big project.
The conference are very important for our airline, mainly because of networking. There's a fine balance between the speaks on one side and the breaks on the other side.
We enjoy going to those conferences because they're very well attended. The Aircraft Commerce team have a great network, so we're always guaranteed of seeing lots of our existing customers at the conferences, but also having the opportunity to network with new partners.
So most important, I guess, is equal new business leads, as well as refostering and making contact with existing customers, building on those relationships. We never have a quiet conference.